Are you preparing for the PCEP Python Certified Entry-Level Programmer exam? Let us see how ready you are with 10 real-style quiz questions. Let us begin. Question 1. Which of the following is the correct way to print something in Python? A console hello. B print hello. C echo hello. D write hello. Correct answer B. Print hello is the standard way to display output in Python. Question 2. Which data type is immutable in Python? A list. B dictionary. C tuple. D set. Correct answer C. Tuples are immutable. Once created, they cannot be changed. Question 3. How many values are returned by range 052? A2. B3. C4. D5. Correct answer B. It returns 024, that is 3 values. Question 4. What is the result of this code? X equals 5, X plus equals 3, print X. A8. B53. C5. D error. Correct answer A. X plus equals 3 means X becomes 8. Question 5. Which statement about functions is not true? A function can have parameters. B, a function can return none. C, a function can be defined inside another function. D, a function cannot be recursive. Correct answer D. Functions in Python can call themselves. This is called recursion. Question 6. What will this code print? Print 5 plus 4. A9. B54. C error. D54. Correct answer B. This is string concatenation. 5 plus 4 gives 54. Question 7. Which loop executes at least once even if the condition is false? A for. B while. C do while. D none. Correct answer C. Python does not have a native do while loop, but conceptually it runs once before checking the condition. Question 8. What is the output of len of list 1, 2, 3? A2. B3. C4. D error. Correct answer B. There are 3 elements in the list, so the length is 3. Question 9. What is the result of true and false or true? A true. B false. C none. D error. Correct answer A. True and false is false and false or true is true. Question 10. Which of the following correctly imports the full math module? A. Import math. B. From math import all. C. Import math.all. D. Both A and B. Correct answer D. Both import math and from math import all are valid, but import math is more readable. How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments. And do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you do not miss part 2 of the PCEP quiz series. Keep coding and see you in the next one.